Cancer, if you are watching this right now at exactly this moment, the universe literally moved mountains to get you here. Because in the next 72 hours, something massive is about to shift in your home space, and 847 of you are going to experience the most profound domestic transformation of your entire lives. Everyone thinks home blessings are about burning sage and hanging crystals, but Cancer, I just pulled the Five of Swords for your home energy, and this is not what anyone expects. This card is showing me that the blessing coming to your home is actually going to come through releasing a toxic family dynamic or roommate situation that has been poisoning your sacred space for months. By December 15th, 2025, those of you who take action on what I am about to reveal will have completely transformed not just your living situation, but your entire emotional foundation, and the ripple effects will change everything. I have been reading for Cancers for over 12 years, and I have never seen home energy this powerful and this ready to explode into manifestation. The comments are already going insane, and we just started. Sarah just wrote, "Five of Swords is my life right now." And Jessica said she got chills the second I mentioned toxic roommates. You beautiful Cancers are so connected to this energy already. Your home is your temple, Cancer. It is your emotional headquarters. It is where you recharge your intuitive batteries. And right now, the universe is saying it is time for a complete renovation of your domestic energy field. Not just moving furniture around. I am talking about an energetic earthquake that is going to shake loose everything that does not belong in your sacred space anymore. Let me pull another card for you right now. Oh my God, Cancer. I just pulled the Hermit and this is giving me chills. The Hermit in your home blessing spread is showing me that this transformation is going to require you to go deep into solitude and really examine what home means to you on a soul level. This is not about Pinterest perfect decorating. This is about creating a sanctuary that actually feeds your Cancerian need for emotional safety and psychic protection. The Hermit is telling me that sometime between now and early January, you are going to have a profound realization about your living situation. Maybe you have been tolerating a noisy environment when you desperately need peace. Maybe you have been sharing space with people who drain your energy when you need to be surrounded by nurturing vibes. The Hermit says it is time to get real about what your soul actually needs to thrive at home. I am seeing so many of you nodding right now. The energy in this live stream is absolutely electric. You know exactly what I am talking about, because you have been feeling this restlessness in your home space for weeks now. Your Cancer intuition has been picking up on the fact that something needs to shift and shift hard. But here is where it gets really interesting, Cancer. Let me pull your third card. Whoa! I just pulled the Ace of Wands, and this is where your home blessing gets absolutely wild. The Ace of Wands is pure creative fire energy, and it is telling me that this home transformation is going to unlock creative powers in you that have been dormant for years. Your home is about to become not just a place to live, but a creative laboratory where you birth your dreams into reality. I am seeing visions of you setting up an art corner, or a writing nook, or a meditation altar, or maybe even starting a home business that completely changes your financial trajectory. The Ace of Wands is saying that when you finally create the home environment that truly supports your Cancerian nature, your creative gifts are going to explode into manifestation. And Cancer, this is where the blessing becomes permanent, because once you tap into your creative power in your home space, there is no going back. You become a magnet for abundance, for opportunities, for the right people who want to support your dreams instead of drain your energy. Let me tell you about Maria, a Cancer client of mine from last year. She was living in a tiny apartment with 3 roommates who were constantly bringing chaos and drama into the space. She felt like she could never relax, never create, never just be. Then she got brave enough to move into a studio apartment by herself, even though financially it was scary. Within 2 months of creating her own sacred space, she had launched an Etsy shop selling handmade jewelry that now brings in over $4,000 a month. That is the power of the home blessing I am seeing for you right now. The Ace of Wands is also showing me that some of you are going to receive unexpected money or resources that help you make this home transformation happen. Maybe a family member offers to help with moving costs. Maybe you find an amazing deal on your dream apartment. Maybe you inherit furniture that is exactly what you need. The universe is conspiring to support this shift because it knows how important your home environment is to your overall well-being and success. But we are not done, Cancer, because I feel called to pull one more card for you. Holy Spirit. I just pulled the 10 of Cups, and now I am literally getting emotional because this card is the ultimate home and family happiness card. And it is showing me that this blessing is not just about you. It is about creating a space where love can flourish in ways you have never experienced before. For those of you who are single, the 10 of Cups is saying that when you create this emotionally nourishing home environment, you become a magnet for a partner who truly appreciates the sanctuary you have built. Someone who understands that your home is sacred and wants to contribute to that peaceful, loving energy instead of disrupting it. For those of you in relationships, this card is showing me that fixing your home energy is going to heal relationship wounds that you did not even realize were connected to your living situation. When you both feel truly relaxed and supported in your space, intimacy deepens, communication improves, arguments become rare because everyone is operating from a place of emotional fullness instead of stress and irritation. And for those of you with children or who want children, the 10 of Cups is screaming that this home blessing is going to create the perfect foundation for family growth and happiness. Your home is about to become the place where core memories are made, where everyone feels safe to be themselves, where love lives in every corner. I am seeing Christmas mornings where everyone is laughing around the tree, birthday parties where friends cannot stop commenting on how peaceful and beautiful your space feels, quiet Sunday afternoons where you are reading on the couch and you suddenly realize that this is what contentment feels like. Now, Cancer, let me pull one more card because I feel like there is something specific about timing that we need to address. Oh, wow! The Wheel of Fortune just jumped out of the deck, and this is perfect because the wheel is all about divine timing and major life cycles completing. The Wheel of Fortune is confirming that this home blessing is not just a nice idea. It is actually fated to happen for you right now. There has been a cycle of instability or dissatisfaction with your living situation that is finally ready to complete itself. Maybe you have been in temporary housing, or dealing with difficult landlords, or living somewhere that never quite felt like home. The Wheel of Fortune says that cycle is done, and you are about to spin into a completely new domestic chapter. The timing on this is crucial, Cancer, because the Wheel of Fortune operates on cosmic cycles, and when it shows up in a reading, it means the universe has aligned all the pieces, and now is the moment to take action. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Do not overthink it. Do not let fear keep you stuck in a situation that is no longer serving your highest good. I am also seeing that this home blessing is connected to a larger destiny cycle for you. Your home transformation is going to unlock other areas of your life that have been stuck. Better home energy leads to better sleep, which leads to better health, which leads to more energy for your career, which leads to more money, which leads to even more opportunities to enhance your home. It is an upward spiral of blessing upon blessing. But here is what the Wheel of Fortune wants you to really understand, Cancer. This opportunity has an expiration date. The cosmic window for this particular home blessing is open now, but it will not stay open forever. The wheel keeps turning, and if you do not claim this energy while it is available, you might have to wait for another cycle to come around. Let me pull one final card to seal this blessing and give you the practical guidance you need to make this transformation happen. Cancer! I just pulled Justice, and I am getting goosebumps because Justice is telling me that this home blessing is actually about creating balance in your life that has been missing for way too long. You have been giving and giving and giving to everyone else while your own needs for a peaceful, beautiful home environment have been ignored or pushed aside. Justice says no more. It is time to advocate for yourself, to demand the living situation you deserve, to stop settling for less than what feeds your soul. This is not selfish. This is necessary. You cannot pour from an empty cup, and your home is where you go to fill that cup back up. Justice is also showing me that some of you need to have difficult conversations with family members or roommates about boundaries and expectations. These conversations have been avoided because you hate conflict, but Justice says the temporary discomfort of these conversations is nothing compared to the long-term joy of living in harmony. For those of you dealing with financial concerns about making this home change, Justice is reminding you that everything in the universe seeks balance. If you have been overpaying for a situation that does not serve you, the universe owes you a situation where you get more value for your money. Trust that the cosmic scales are tipping in your favor right now. Justice is also about legal matters and contracts. So some of you might be dealing with lease negotiations, mortgage applications, or other housing paperwork. The Justice card is giving you the green light that these official matters are going to work out in your favor as long as you approach them with honesty and clarity about what you need. Now, Cancer, I want you to close your eyes for a moment and really feel into this energy I have been describing. Can you sense how different your life would be if you were living in a space that truly supported and nourished your sensitive Cancerian nature? Imagine waking up every morning in a bedroom that feels like a peaceful retreat instead of a chaotic crash pad. Imagine cooking meals in a kitchen that inspires creativity instead of adding stress to your day. Imagine having friends over who comment on how serene and welcoming your space feels, how it makes them want to stay and talk for hours. This is not fantasy, Cancer. This is prophecy. The cards have spoken, and they are telling me that your home blessing is already in motion. The Five of Swords has cleared out the toxic energy. The Hermit has given you the wisdom to know what you really need. The Ace of Wands has ignited your creative power. The Ten of Cups has aligned you with lasting happiness. The Wheel of Fortune has confirmed the perfect timing, and Justice has balanced the scales in your favor. Your job now is to take inspired action. Maybe that means having the conversation you have been avoiding. Maybe it means saving money more aggressively for a deposit. Maybe it means researching new neighborhoods or looking at rental listings with fresh eyes. Maybe it means decluttering your current space to make room for new energy to flow in. The universe is ready to support you, but you have to meet it halfway. You have to be willing to leave behind what is comfortable but not fulfilling in order to claim what is both comfortable and deeply nourishing. And Cancer, I want you to remember that this home blessing is not just about the physical space. It is about claiming your right to have a sanctuary in this chaotic world. As a Cancer, you are naturally gifted at creating emotional safety for others, but now it is time to create that safety for yourself first. When you prioritize your own need for a peaceful, beautiful home environment, you actually become more available to love and support the people you care about because you are operating from overflow instead of depletion. The comments are absolutely exploding right now. Michelle just wrote, "My lease is up in January, and this is exactly the sign I needed." And David said he has been looking at houses for months, but was scared to make an offer, and now he feels ready. This energy is contagious, and it is spreading through all of you beautiful Cancers watching right now. I am also seeing so many comments about people who have been feeling restless at home without understanding why. Now you understand why. Your soul has been preparing you for this upgrade, making you uncomfortable with what no longer serves, so you would be motivated to claim what you actually deserve. This is exactly why I love doing these live streams for you gorgeous souls. When we connect like this, the energy gets amplified, and everyone benefits from the collective wisdom and support. Oh, and speaking of support, my private community has been absolutely buzzing about home transformations lately. The synchronicities are off the charts. Now, Cancer, as we start to wrap up this powerful reading, I want to leave you with some specific action steps that will help you claim this home blessing. First, within the next 48 hours, I want you to write down exactly what your ideal home environment looks like. Not what you think you can afford or what seems practical, but what would make your Cancer heart sing with joy every single day. Be specific about lighting, colors, sounds, smells, the energy you want to feel when you walk through the door. Second, look around your current space and identify one thing that consistently drains your energy or disrupts your peace. Maybe it is clutter in a certain area. Maybe it is a piece of furniture that has bad memories attached. Maybe it is a room that never gets natural light. Within the next week, I want you to address that one thing as a signal to the universe that you are ready for bigger changes. Third, start having conversations with trusted friends and family about your desire for a more nurturing home environment. Sometimes the perfect opportunity comes through personal connections rather than online searches. Let people know you are open to new possibilities and watch how the universe starts bringing options your way. Fourth, pay attention to your dreams over the next 2 weeks, because I have a feeling your subconscious is going to start showing you images and symbols related to your future home. Keep a journal by your bed and write down anything that feels significant. Your Cancer intuition is going to be extra active during this manifestation period. And finally, Cancer, trust the process. Trust that the universe heard your prayers for a more peaceful living situation. Trust that you deserve to have a home that supports your dreams instead of draining your energy. Trust that the cosmic timing is perfect even if your logical mind wants to overthink every detail. The cards never lie, and they have been crystal clear about this blessing coming your way. Your only job is to stay open, take inspired action, and be ready to receive what you have been asking for. I am getting chills just thinking about the updates I am going to receive from all of you over the next few months. I can already picture the photos of your new spaces, the messages about how much happier you feel, the stories about opportunities that opened up once you created the right environment for them to flourish. This home blessing is real, Cancer, and it is yours. Claim it with confidence, create it with intention, and watch how it transforms not just where you live, but how you live. The energy in this reading has been absolutely incredible, and I know you felt it too. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell because readings this powerful do not happen every day, and you do not want to miss the next time the universe has urgent messages for your sign. If you want to dive even deeper into your personal home transformation energy, you know where to find me for more intimate guidance. But right now, let this collective blessing carry you forward into the most beautiful chapter of your domestic life. Cancer, your home blessing starts now. Go make it happen.